Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm going to have another go at this. I've just made a new friend, a chap called Raymond, who's actually got the number 4 spot on this flight. And he was kind enough to share with me that the AP is automatically coming on. It's a bug, apparently. Maybe it's not a bug, maybe it's intentional, I don't know. So, we're going to go... I think I've got everything set up. Yep, everything looks good. Ready to fly. I've got no cameras on today. Ah, bums. 𝗬𝗆 𝗬𝗁𝗄𝗄. I've only got that one. I haven't got my my throttle gear ready. All right. Let's get this horribly wrong first time round. Autopilot off. Got myself a notch of flaps in there. Ooh. Losing a lot of speed. My head tracking's not on. Oh no! I had to restart my PC like 3 times to get Microsoft Flight Simulator to work. And my see, my head tracking didn't restart. So we're real slow right now. I mean, like, dangerously slow. Did a bit of trim on that. I think this one's going to be a disaster, but that's okay. You can see that the joysticks are now working. Not only are they working... oh my god, what's going on with the textures? Good god. Love this aircraft, by the way. It's probably my favourite aircraft in the whole world. Truth be told. So, I mean, he absolutely nailed this. I mean, he came in and took 500 feet now. My God, we should be so much lower. Yeah, he just came in and nailed this like an absolute pro. Totally unlike I'm doing. Super high. All over the bloody place. Alright. This could be done so much better. But he got 4th. 4th place. You can find a link to that video on my channel. You can find a link to him getting 4th place. And that was a pretty terrible run. I clearly could do better than that. But I've just jumped up to 7,000. I think he got 190,000 something odd. So, I mean, thank you for pointing out, Raymond, that the AP was on. This is my 3rd attempt. And I've improved on my score, so that's going to go down. That's going to be my video. Yeah, we could still do better. I always struggle with ground roll and landing smoothness, and I've got to get a better line onto that runway. That's the thing that he absolutely smashes me on. But we're a bit too high and a bit too fast there. So, but yeah, thank you, Raymond. I dedicate this one to you, mate, because if you hadn't told me that the AP was on and that's why all my controls were all over the place, I'd probably have continued struggling away with that. I guess, didn't spot it. I don't fly this aircraft enough to realise that the AP was on, but I do now. And I owe that to you. So thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye for now.